Multiply 1.5 by 1.8 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 8. 8 times 5 is 40. Put 0 in this column and carry 4. 8 times 1 plus the carried 4 is 12. The first partial product is 120. Now use the tens digit, 1. Start one place to the left. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 1 is 1. The second partial product is 150. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 0 plus 0 is 0. In the tens column, 2 plus 5 is 7. In the hundreds column, 1 plus 1 is 2. The whole negative number product is 270. Count the highlighted digits after each decimal point. The factors have 2 decimal places altogether, so the product needs 2 decimal places. Place the decimal point 2 places from the right. 270 becomes 2.70. That is simply 2.7. So 1.5 times 1.8 is 2.7.